Hello friends, welcome to Market Analyzers. Today Nifty fell by 7 points and closed at 19,749, whereas Bank Nifty rallied by 191 points and closed at 43,769. From past 1 week, Nifty is trading in the range of 19,820 to 19,680, and today Nifty was trading around 19,820. Today also, for a brief period, for first 15 minutes, Nifty traded above 19,820 level, but people who watched yesterday's video would have avoided this trap. There is not much global data to talk about and discuss because yesterday US markets were closed due to Thanksgiving holiday, and our Indian markets will remain closed on Monday on the occasion of Guru Nanak Jayanti. On Monday, I will try to upload a video about the events which will influence stock market movements, why markets will move up and down, and the underlying theme behind those moves. Try to watch that video. If you come back to Nifty, there is nothing new. Only about 19,820 daily closing. I am expecting further strength in Nifty to rally upside. Until it stays below that level, it is likely to stay in the range of 19,680 to 19,820. To break this range bound move, markets need a trigger. FI's futures data was not updated while I started recording this video, but in cash segment, they bought for 2,625 crores. Significant buying from FIs was seen today. Now let's talk about option chain range. My Nifty range is 19,400 to 20,100. The reason why I am carrying this range is explained in news video number 44. Now let's move on to stocks news updates. First, let's discuss about today's big news, which is Supreme Court hearing on ADANI Hindenburg matter. Before discussing about today's updates, first I will explain a brief history of this case and then I will tell what Supreme Court has told today. In January this year, Hindenburg Research Firm, they operate from USA. The company publishes reports stating the frauds and they will short sell those companies in order to gain from the company's fall. They accused Adani Group of stock manipulation and accounting fraud. Adani Group has denied all these allegations. During this time, Adani Group stocks was under massive selling pressure and stocks fell by 40 to 50% within weeks. Then multiple public interest litigations was filed in Supreme Court on the Adani Hindenburg issue. In March 2023, Supreme Court formulated an expert panel to look into the issue and also came up with suggestions to enhance the existing regulatory framework to avoid retail investors to get trapped. Supreme Court gave SEBI time till May to complete the investigation into the allegations. In May, Supreme Court granted SEBI an extension until August 14 to conclude its investigation. There was many arguments went on today, and Supreme Court noted that there is no material evidence on record to doubt the credibility of SEBI's investigation on the issue. Supreme Court is confident on SEBI's investigation. SEBI has identified 24 cases against Adani and they have finished investigation on 22 such cases. For the remaining 2 cases, they are awaiting a response from foreign regulators. The Supreme Court has now reserved the case for judgment, which means that the judge will take some time to analyze before issuing the judgment. If positive update is coming for Adani means it will be a big positive trigger for the share price rally of Adani Group. And if you remember, when Adani stocks fell in January, the banks also fell during that event in the fears that Adani might collapse and the loan repayments would be a question mark. But today, the final judgment has not came out, but both Adani Group stocks and Bank Nifty closed on upside, whereas the entire stock market was trading flat. The Paytm share price fell by 3%. At one point, it was trading with 5% losses. In a block deal which happened today morning, 1,440 was worth of shares exchanged hands. It is equal to 2.6% of the total company's equity. On evening, bulk deals data, which was updated by NSE, it showed the sellers are Berkshire Hathaway. Finally, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway exits Paytm. Let's see how the stock price reacts to this on Tuesday. It is a clean out trade by Berkshire Hathaway. They don't have any stake in Paytm after this exit. Now let's talk about Tata Technologies. The IPO closes with subscription of nearly 70 times. Total bids received is worth 1.56 lakh crores. Today was the final day to apply for the IPO. The portion for QIB, qualified institutional bidders, was subscribed 203 times. Retail portion was subscribed 16.5 times and those reserved for shareholders of Tata Motors was subscribed over 29 times. The IPO price band is 475 rupees to 500 rupees. The grey market premium today shot to 400 rupees. Grey market premium is indicating 80 to 90% listing gains. This will definitely give the allottees a good listing gains if the conditions remain stable. Now let's talk about LIC updates and end today's news video. The LIC share price rallied by 9%. It has never rallied by 9% in a single trading sessions. The reason for this rally came from the updates made by LIC chairman Siddhartha Mohanty. He said they have plans to introduce 3 to 4 new products in the coming months, aiming for a double-digit increase in new business premiums during this fiscal year. LIC aims to launch the first product in the first week of December with features such as loan facilities and premature withdrawal. They said they are planning to bring out an innovative product which is set to disrupt the market. It offers guaranteed returns and a lifelong benefit of 10% of the sum assured after the policy matured. It means, for example, an insurance company will pay the amount only if the event happens. In case of life insurance, let's say he has a life insurance for 60 years. The amount will be provided only if the insurer dies in 60 years or else the policy matures and they won't receive the funds. But LIC new product offers 10% of the policy amount back to the insurer. In life insurance sector, LIC holds 58.5% market share. Let's see how this new product will contribute to the numbers. Will their competitors also follow their same method, or LIC through their huge network and brand name will they disrupt the market? Let's see how this will pan out in coming quarters. Friends, this is today's news video. Thank you for watching the video. Like and share the video with your friends. Only if you like the content in the channel, subscribe to Market Analyzers for more such videos.